How you guys doing today? My name is Will Sanders here at Jtrch, and today I'll be showing you guys how to remove refrigerant with this vacuum system. Let's just start right here. Pull it down. You'll check all your lines and your hoses. You have your high side, and then you have your low side. You see different color codes to it. Then you also have your reference line. So now, I'll start with my low side first. And I'll also hook up my high side. Cool, I got this hooked up. Then I'll come over here to my reference line. Kind of want to make sure you have it turned towards you. And I'll put that in my end. Thank you, my brother. We'll bring it a little closer to you. Thank the cameraman, Mr. Allen, for that. This is the device that we use to suck the refrigerant out. This is just a smaller version. Then if you scroll over, you also see the shop version, which is just a bigger version. Same thing. This is just a little smaller, compact. You have your tank right here for your liquid, which turns the gases from the liquids to gases back to liquids again. You'll take this, you'll hook this up. This is also the reference line. Come over here. You'll hook it up to your liquid side. And then you'll lightly open it halfway just to purge the system. So you hear the gases. Sorry, you guys hear all the noise in here. It's a little loud, but you can hear it really, really faint. Then you'll come back over. You'll touch your buttons. You'll turn it on. And then you'll get your reading on your gauge. You got your vacuum and your reference. Shows you your component lines. Pretty much that's it, you guys. My name is Will Sanders here at Jtrch. Showing you guys the proper procedure. Make sure you always wear your safety glasses. I already have 4 hours anyway, so that's fine. You guys have a nice day. Thank you.